If you're running a triple monitor setup, you already know how much your screen arrangement affects your productivity. But without the right arm, things can go sideways fast. Cables hanging everywhere, poorly angled monitors, and a stiff neck by the end of the day. That said, today, we're counting down the top 5 best triple monitor arms available right now. From budget-friendly options to premium picks designed for massive ultra-wide displays, there's something on this list for every kind of desk setup. Links are in the description. Let's head right in. First up, we have the WALI M003S. This is the best budget pick on our list, and if you're looking to get 3 screens off your desk without spending a lot, this is a strong place to start. It supports monitors ranging from 13 to 27 inches, with a per-arm weight capacity of 22 pounds. That gives you a total capacity of 66 pounds across all 3 arms. For most standard monitor setups, that's more than enough headroom. The flexibility here is what stands out. You get full 360-degree rotation, which means you can flip any screen into portrait mode without any fuss. Tilt and swivel both go up to 90 degrees. Height can be adjusted along the center pole, and the side arms extend and retract to help you dial in the perfect spacing across all 3 screens. VISA compatibility covers both 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm patterns. You can mount it with either a C-clamp or a grommet base, so it works with most standard desks. The build is high-grade steel, which gives it a surprisingly sturdy feel for a budget arm, and the matte black finish looks clean and professional in any setup. Cable management is built in as well, which helps keep the back of your desk tidy. That said, there are a couple of limitations worth knowing about. These are not gas spring arms, so repositioning requires more manual effort compared to higher-end options. And if you're running 3 27-inch monitors, the arms can feel slightly constrained when tilting inward. It works best with monitors at 24 inches or under. But at its price point, the WALI M003S is one of the most capable entry-level triple arms you can get right now. Next, we have the MOUNTUP MU0006. This one sits in that practical middle ground between budget and premium. It's sturdier than the WALI while keeping the cost at a very reasonable level. It fits flat and curved LCD monitors from 17 to 27 inches with a per-arm weight capacity of up to 19.8 pounds. It's compatible with both 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm VISA patterns and mounts via either C-clamp or grommet. The premium spring mechanism is the real differentiator here. It gives the mount a more stable, polished feel compared to basic friction-based systems. Tilt goes plus or minus 35 degrees, swivel hits plus or minus 90, and you get full 360-degree rotation. The center screen also gets independent height adjustment, which is helpful for dialing in the right eye level for your main display. Installation is quick and clean. The quick-release VISA plates speed things up considerably, and most setups come together in under 20 minutes. Cable management channels are built directly into the arms, so wire organization isn't something you have to figure out separately. On the build side, it's constructed from heavy-gauge alloy steel. That's a solid step above what you'd expect from this tier. A few things to keep in mind. Some users say they wish the arms had a bit more reach for wider setups. If your desk is tight on depth, you'll want to account for about 5 inches of clearance behind the mount. And if you're planning to run 3 27-inch monitors, expect a fairly snug fit. The MOUNTUP MU0006 also comes with a 3-year warranty and dedicated customer support. For gamers, streamers, and office users working with 24 to 27-inch monitors, it's a reliable and well-rounded option that delivers more than its price suggests. Number 3 is the HUANUO triple mount, and this is where things start feeling noticeably more premium. This mount supports monitors from 17 to 32 inches with a per-arm weight capacity of up to 17.6 pounds. It covers both standard VISA patterns and mounts via C-clamp or grommet. The standout feature here is the gas spring mechanism. Instead of manual friction adjustments, the arms glide smoothly and hold position without drifting. That makes a real difference when you're constantly switching between gaming, streaming, or work throughout the day. You don't have to fight the arm to get it where you want it. It just moves, and it stays. Tilt goes plus or minus 35 degrees, swivel reaches plus or minus 90, and 360-degree rotation is on board. The center screen also gets its own height adjustment for ergonomic flexibility. Construction is premium aluminum alloy, which keeps things lighter than steel while remaining very solid. Cable management is integrated into the arms, and the matte black finish looks sharp in any setup. In real-world use, it holds 3 27 to 32-inch monitors securely. Most users love the gas springs for how effortless they feel during repositioning. Assembly is generally straightforward, though you'll want to make sure the clamps are properly tightened for full stability. Now, here's one thing to plan for. for. You'll need a desk with enough depth to give the arms proper clearance. And if you're spreading monitors very far apart, the arm length can feel limiting for particularly wide configurations. For gamers, streamers, and content creators who want smooth, effortless adjustments with monitors up to 32 inches, the HUANUO is one of the best value triple arms in its category. At number 2, we have the mounted MI2753, and this one brings a feature set that genuinely puts it in a different league. It handles monitors from 13 to 32 inches, with a per-arm weight capacity of up to 17.6 pounds. VISA support covers both 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm patterns, and mounting is via clamp or grommet. Every arm here is independently gas spring-powered. That distinction matters. Each monitor moves completely on its own, with no shared mechanism pulling the others along. Tilt goes up to plus or minus 90 degrees, swivel hits plus or minus 90, and you get full 360-degree rotation on each panel. This is true independent control over every screen in your setup. The build is durable aluminum, which has a premium feel without unnecessary bulk. But the detail that really makes this mount stand out is the built-in USB-A and USB-C ports in the base. That's a genuinely rare feature among triple arms. Whether it's a mouse receiver, a USB drive, or a charging cable, having those ports right at your monitor base is something you'll use every single day. And then there's the lifetime warranty with US-based customer support. That's a strong long-term commitment that no other arm on this list can match. In practice, it holds triple 24 to 27-inch setups very well. Some users note that the center arm has slightly less range of motion than the side arms, and a few wish for more front-to-back adjustment depth. But the independent gas springs are consistently praised by users, and the USB ports quickly become something users can't imagine going without. For traders, designers, streamers, and professionals who want premium gas spring performance with genuinely useful everyday extras, the mounted MI2753 is an outstanding pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the VIVO Stand V300D. And this one is in a class entirely its own. The thing is, while every other arm on this list is built for standard monitors, the VIVO is designed specifically for ultra-wide displays. It supports monitors up to 49 inches per arm, with a weight capacity of 44 pounds per arm. That's more than twice what most arms on this list can handle. It's built to hold 3 ultra-wide monitors simultaneously. So if you're putting together a panoramic triple ultra-wide desk for trading, cinematic gaming, or video production, this is essentially the only consumer-grade arm purpose-built for that kind of configuration. The pneumatic counterbalance arms make repositioning feel effortless, even with heavy wide panels. Tilt goes plus or minus 15 degrees, swivel reaches plus or minus 90, and 360-degree rotation is on board. An extra tall pole also allows for a more elevated display configuration if that suits your ergonomics or standing desk use. Construction is heavy-duty steel and aluminum. This mount is built to handle the structural demands of large, heavy panels without any flex or sag. Cable management is integrated throughout. Mounting options include a clamp that handles desks up to 3.5 inches thick, along with a grommet option, and it comes backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Assembly is straightforward, though for ultra-wide monitors, having a second person during installation is a smart move given the size and weight involved. 2 practical things to be aware of. Your desk needs enough depth for the arms to have proper clearance, and heavier monitors will need some careful balancing during the initial setup phase. But if you're running ultra-wides or planning to build a triple ultra-wide setup, the VIVO Stand V300D is the definitive answer. Nothing else on this list is even designed to do what this arm does. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find the right setup, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new video from FlexiViews.